let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at a math question and thought, I will never figure this out? Or maybe you've told yourself, I'm just not a math person. You are not alone. For some people, mathematics is that one subject that is a source of anxiety and frustration. But why does math feel so hard and intimidating? And is there a way we can make math easier and even enjoyable? Let's find out in this video. Hi everyone, welcome to the Tutorial Academy. I am Sharon, and this channel is about making math simple, practical, and fun. Whether you are struggling with the basics of mathematics or you're trying to build confidence with solving mathematical problems, this channel is here to help you step by step. So let's dive in and uncover why people hate mathematics and how we can change that. So let's start with the big one, fear. Mathematics has a way of making you feel like if you don't get it immediately, then you are not good enough. So most people have tried solving mathematics in the past and they have made a lot of mistakes and they have made a lot of errors which have caused failure. So they have this fear of trying again. They have this fear of failure towards mathematics. And then there are some people that naturally has the fear of mathematics because of the common says that mathematics is hard and mathematics is not for everybody. Also, there are some common stereotypes that goes around that adds fear to people. For example, only boys are good at maths, or mathematics is a talent, or mathematics are for geniuses. And then this fear convinces people that they're not good enough with maths, and then makes them drift away from mathematics, which makes people hate mathematics. Another major reason is teaching styles. A lot of people have been taught mathematics through memorization, like learning the formulas and equations without really knowing how they work or how important they are or understand the concept behind those formulas and equations. So this disconnects people from mathematics and also the application of mathematics to real life scenarios. Also, you hear some students saying, why are we always finding x? Or how long will I use quadratic equation in my daily life? This disconnects people from mathematics and give them that conviction that they won't use maths in the future. And this makes it hard for people to connect with mathematics or stay motivated with mathematics. The third reason I'm going to speak about is pressure. Yes, there's this pressure that comes with solving mathematics questions, especially when you are writing a test or exams because you have limited time. This makes mathematics feels like a race instead of a journey. Now, it's not about if you understand the concept behind the mathematical problem, but it's about who can finish it fast and finish it right without making errors. So people can't work under pressure, and this makes them convinced that if I cannot work under pressure, then I'm not good at maths. And that's not true. I'm going to be addressing some misconceptions. And the first one is mathematics is not just about solving on paper, it is everywhere. When you're calculating a tip at a restaurant, that's maths. When you budget your money, that's maths. When you calculate a discount of an item, that's maths. Even when you're figuring out how much salt to use to cook, that's maths in action. Once you start connecting maths to real life scenarios, it stops being abstract and starts making sense. The second one I will address is mistakes means that you're bad at maths. That's not true. Mistakes are part of learning. And mathematics is a skill. Just like you learn how to play football or learn the instrument, it takes practice, not talent. Even mathematicians get it wrong sometimes. They learn through their mistakes. That's how they're able to discover new things, new methods, new approach. So mistakes doesn't mean that you are bad at math. It's just a step to understanding. How do we change our perspective towards mathematics? Or how do we get better with mathematics? The first one is change your mindset. So you have this mindset that mathematics is hard. You have this mindset that you are not good at maths. You have this mindset that, oh, mathematics is so difficult, or only boys are good at maths, or it's so hard for me to understand. Change that mindset. You can get better at maths. You can excel at maths. So you have to change that mindset. That mindset is your drive. So once you change that mindset, you will see mathematics in a positive aspect. The second one is breaking it down. You start learning from the basics and then build up.
When you open a math textbook, you see introduction. Read the introduction before you get to the main aspect. So think of math like a puzzle. Piece by piece, it all comes together. The third one is you have to understand the concepts. Understanding the concepts helps you with future references of that topic. Whenever you see a math question, a math topic, you have to understand the concept behind it, understand the formula, understand the equations, understand the derivations, because that helps you with future references on other mathematical topics. Because one thing with mathematics is that we draw from other topics. Another one is asking for help. You don't have to figure it out on your own, and there is no shame in asking for help. Whether you meet your teacher or your fellow students or something like this channel to help you and guide you on solving mathematical questions, you can't figure it out on your own. So ask for help. Practice without pressure. Practice regularly and don't put too much pressure on yourself to be perfect. Remember, it's the progress, not perfection. Celebrate your little wins. If you got this topic correctly without making mistakes, celebrate it. And if you made mistake, learn the mistake that you made and try to do better. The takeaway is mathematics is not the problem. It's the way that we have put our mind to see mathematics. By changing your mindset, understanding the concept, breaking it down, and practicing without pressure, anyone can improve in their math skill. And guess what? You don't have to do it alone. That's why the Tutorial Academy is here to make math simple, practical, and fun. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's change the way we see mathematics together. See you in my next video at the Tutorial Academy.